Good day, everybody. Tracking the tropics, and here we have Nicholas. Nicholas is just a tropical depression this morning, but look at how much rain, and we even have an active tornado warning over parts of South Louisiana. It's actually near Lake Charles, and will take 2 days to get only a little distance to New Orleans. So it's basically stalling, very, very slow movement now, east-northeast at 6 miles an hour, and as a result, as it creeps along, it's just going to delve into this moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and inundate the area with up to 10 to 20 more inches of rain in isolated spots. So just what they don't need after Ida. Meanwhile, we have another system which could become Odette. This one is east of the southeast Bahamas, 70% chance that that happens. Could also get the name Peter depending on the timing, but it moves north parallel to our peninsula, and then off of Africa we could have a name system as well, Peter or Odette here too, 80 to 90%. It is moving west and then takes a spin out to sea if everything holds steady.